Hi, welcome to mycutetoons. Today we're going to draw Lavender in her mermaid costume. Grab your marker and follow along with me. As usual, we're going to start with two eyes. We're going to draw two little curved lines next to each other, roughly the same length, and we're going to make it nice and round on top. And the same for the other eye. Then let's draw the irises. Two light reflections, top and bottom, and on this side as well, and then the pupils. Right on top of the eyes, you're going to draw the eyelashes. And we'll do the same for the other eye. Let's fill the pupils and the eyelashes in. Right between the eyes, we're going to draw a little button nose. You're going to make an oval. And then right below the button nose, you're going to draw a little smile. And let's draw her mouth open, like this. We're going to make two dots next to the eyes, just to indicate our jawline, and maybe one at the bottom. So we're going to draw a flat curve, take it up to the eye. Now for the hair. You can draw the hair going out, just a little strand going up to the top. On this side, you're going to draw the fringe. And then on this side, you're going to draw another fringe going out, and let's complete the hair in front. On the left hand side of the head, we're going to draw a little bow. A few dots. You can make it different sizes. And then we're gonna connect this bow to the head. Right below the bow, there's going to be a hairband, and we're going to continue the hairband all the way around, connect it to the head, and now we're going to finish up with the hair on the side. We're going to end up in two cute little ponytails. Now we can take the side of Lavender's head and you can connect it to the hair. Right above the eyebrow, and now we're going to go through the body. We're going to draw the torso. You can draw a round curve, you can draw another curve which is going to be the torso, and another one, 3 dots, and then right below there you're going to draw a belt with pearls going all the way around. We're going to draw the neck and a little strap for her dress. Now for the body, you're going to make a nice round curve down, and on this side you're going to make another curve. Now it's time for the arms. I'm going to bring her arms out, just make 2 lines. On this side, let's do the same thing. The hands, we're going to draw a thumb, and we're going to draw 3 little fingers connected to the hand. We're going to draw a thumb, the same thing, 1, 2, 3 fingers connected to the hand. And now we can continue with the hair. so that she has two little hair bands on both sides. Now we can draw the ponytails. Nice curves. And we can just make a little fold there. There's one ponytail. And then on this side, maybe the hair is curling outwards, so I'll do that. And then the last one. And now for the tail fin. You're going to draw two nice round curvy lines going out. You can make this one a bit longer than that one, and you're going to make it nice and round at the bottom, take it back to the tail. This side you're going to do the same, nice and round at the bottom, take it back to the tail. Then we're going to draw the flippers. We're going to finish it up. And on this side you're going to do the same. Another flipper, and then maybe just connect it in the middle. And there is Lavender in a mermaid costume. So now you can look at my picture and you can try to match the colors and color Lavender in. And I'm sure Lavender will look absolutely beautiful. Thank you for drawing with me. Please don't forget to click the like button and subscribe to my channel. And I will see you soon. Bye bye.